My name is Yifan. My metric number is A198283. My speech title is Reduce Single-Use Plastics Now, a key move for a cleaner world. Good day, everyone. Let me begin with shocking facts. According to the article by Fernandez in 2024, researchers from UC Santa Barbara estimate that if we do nothing, plastic pollution will double by 2050. Even worse, a study from the World Economic Forum predicts that by that year, there could be more plastic by weight than fish in the ocean. Imagine that, swimming in the ocean that's full of plastic instead of fish. This issue is not just about the environment, it is about us, our health, and our future. Microplastics have been found in our drinking water, seafood, and even human blood. These particles can carry toxic chemicals and affect our hormones, potentially impacting our reproduction, growth, and metabolism. I have spent time researching this topic, read many scientific reports, and joined beach cleanup activities. I have seen firsthand how serious the problem is. So today, I want to convince you, we must reduce single-use plastics now. In this speech, we will look at three things: the serious damage that single-use plastics cause, what can we do, the benefits of taking action. Let's start with the problem. Single-use plastics are not just waste, they are killers of ecosystems and threats to human life. Marine animals are dying. According to a 2024 article by Cohen on Oceania, seabirds suffer from plastiosis. Their digestive systems are damaged by plastic they eat. Turtles swallow plastic bags thinking they are jellyfish, and whales die with stomachs full of plastic. But the problem goes deeper. Plastic never fully disappears. These enter the food chain. Plastics breaks into microplastics, and these are extremely harmful to marine life, traveling from rivers to oceans when fish consume them. And then they end up in our bodies through seafood. According to a 2022 report in The Guardian, scientists found microplastics in the blood of 17 out of 22 healthy people and in 11 of 13 lung tissue samples. That means plastic is not just polluting our oceans, it is now inside our bodies. Plastics often contain chemicals like phthalates, which interfere with our hormone systems. Chattel indicated that these microplastics may even carry harmful bacteria, increasing the risk of infections and long-term illness. On an ecological level, larger plastic debris spreads invasive species. These pieces accumulate in coastal and freshwater ecosystems, disrupting biodiversity and natural balances. And this is not just a local problem, it has no borders. For instance, plastic waste from Indonesia can travel 4,000 kilometers to Seychelles, affecting marine life and coastlines around the world. So, what can we do? Let's start small from our daily habits. We can avoid disposable items, bring our own reusable bags, own bottles and containers when shopping, going outside, or having picnics. We can also choose second-hand items instead of always buying new. Experts featured on Interplus Insights emphasize that recognizing plastic types helps consumers make better recycling decisions. Learning how to sort plastic waste properly, because not all plastics are recyclable. The more we know, the better choices we can make. Industries must also act, especially the food delivery. As Crawford suggested in 2021, they should let customers easily say no to plastic utensils and easily switch to eco-friendly packaging. And we, as consumers, can refuse packaging as possible as we can to support businesses that do this. Behavioral science also offers solutions. A Yale study showed that small reminders like signs near desks or hooks near doors can increase eco-friendly habits and reduce plastic bag buying. So we can see that tiny reminders can build big habits. On a larger scale, we need international cooperation. A global agreement to reduce plastic production and share solutions is crucial. Organizations like the American Chemistry Council support treaties to create a circular economy. Here's the good news. Reducing plastic has powerful effects. Studies show that when people start reducing plastic, it often leads to other positive changes about their lifestyle, like using public transport, reducing carbon footprint and electricity, or buying less plastics. This is called behavioral spillover. Researchers like Joan Thorkson have studied that this is the idea that taking one pro-environmental action can lead people to adopt more sustainable habits over time. It plays a key role in building a low-carbon and sustainable society. A simple action like refusing a plastic straw can actually lead to a mindset shift. It makes us feel responsible, and that feeling encourages even bigger environmental actions. And the impact goes beyond habits. As more people adopt greener behaviors, we start to see real-world changes. Coral reefs are better protected, fewer toxins in our food and water, cleaner air, and better public health. To sum up, single-use plastics are damaging the planet and harming our health. But by taking action in our homes, in our communities, and as global citizens, we can reverse the damage. So please, bring your own bags. Say no to plastic utensils. Try using second-hand items. Learn your local cycling codes. Actively support eco-friendly policies and businesses. Every small step matters. These little choices, when multiplied, can shape a cleaner, healthier, and more hopeful future for all of us. Thank you.